That I might have a problem. I knew something wouldn't be that easy. Oh, dude. I just broke it. Oh, that's not gonna work. Welcome to Knocking on Wood. I know what you're thinking. I love watching her move her way around the kitchen, and I had a great idea. We're gonna dry fit it back together really fast, and then just making sure the lines make sense. Okay, feels pretty good. We'll save the easy dominoes for a second. We'll do all the hard ones now. Come on. Okay. That's gonna be hard. I'm gonna be cutting the mortises in the legs of the stool right now. So this is pass or fail. There's no going back after this. I will not cut another set of legs if I mess this up, so fun. Here we go. Yeah, it'll be close. We're good though. It's gonna be sketchy, but that's why we're here. It came out pretty nice. Gotta move the fence to a 45, and then I gotta move the depth to 25. So, not too bad. I want to do some details, some shaping details. I'm either going to do some chamfers here or some roundovers just to give some shape to it. Probably going to go with chamfers only because I never do them. And so I want to do something different. I generally do roundovers a lot. So I want to just give it a shot. We're going to go with this one. The bigger the bit, the lower the speed of the router needs to be. Let's try this. Hopefully I don't rip my face off. When I started woodworking, when I would get to the glue up stage, I would break out into a sweat. I always felt like I was racing the clock and something would go wrong, and I would just feel like it was always a mess. I would be afraid something wouldn't line up, the glue would dry, I would get something wrong, there'd be too much squeeze out, and the list goes on and on. I have learned ways to take the stress out of a glue up. And so I would like to share those with you. And that way, the next time you're about to do a glue up in a project, you won't have any stress. Step 1 is dry fit. Make sure all the joints fit snug before you put glue on anything. Make sure your angles are correct and everything is true and square. Practice your clamp placement and don't wait till the glue's running. This is your rehearsal. Make sure you get it right before it's glue time. Step 2, gather all your tools that you need ahead of time. If you gotta run across the shop for a clamp mid-glue, you're already in panic mode. Set up your station with everything in place. Step 3, glue like a gentleman. When you use glue, you don't need a river of it. You just need a nice even coat. Number 4, clamp calmly. Clamps are where most mistakes are made. I myself used to overcrank all my clamps because I thought it had to be super tight and smashed together as hard as can be. Now, when I put on clamps, I tighten them just enough to hold things together. There's no rush if you use a glue with a long open time. Take your time with your clamps and tighten them accordingly. Number 5, walk away. Once it's clamped, clean up, and that's it. Walk away. I used to hover over my projects like I was waiting for it to go wrong. But some things need space to set, and glue ups are definitely one of them. Wow, what a good glue up, huh? I feel glue ups nowadays are just so meditative for me. I think maybe it's just that I have everything broken down into steps, and I take my time, and I'm methodic about it, and really, it's just a lot of fun. What are your secrets to a good glue up? That's it for today. There's plenty more to build, and it's not just in the shop. Give us a like and a subscribe. It really helps us out.